$2 bills are not as rare as you may think unless you find one of the bills in my video. Most $2 bills are only worth anywhere between $2 to $5. In fact, I actually carry around $2 bills in my wallet just as a conversation piece or if I'm tipping someone. Did you know they still produce $2 bills to this day? That's right, they're currently printing $2 bills as we speak. The interesting thing is you'll never see a $2 bill as of now that has a date on the bill later than 2017. Just because your bill has a date on it does not mean that's exactly when the bill was produced. The reason for this is because they have to create a new plate to produce these bills, and they don't want to do that every single year. So what they'll do is they'll use the series of 2017 and then print that until a certain timeline where they have to change the series on the bill. But enough of that, let's just hop into this video. So up first we have two $2 bills that have a first day of issue postal cancellation on them. Not going to spend a ton of time here, but if you have $2 bills like this, they could be worth a lot of money because these two $2 bills sold for $149. This single $2 bill sold for $750, and here's why. So pretty much when it comes to the serial number of your bill, that is the letters and numbers you see in green right there. This is considered to be a radar serial number, so it is a fancy serial number, and that's why it sold for $750. Wait, 90% of you that watch the videos are still not subscribed. So you better subscribe right now so we can keep the lights on. Wait, no, I was kidding. A similar thing here, but this is a single digit serial number 7 bill with a star at the end of the serial number. I'm not going to go into star notes just yet, but this one $2 bill sold for $862. So this is an uncut sheet of 4 $2 bills. The reality is you can go online right now and buy sheets of $2 bills for not that much money over their face value. And when I say face value, I mean if you have a $2 bill, the face value is simply $2. That goes for any denomination. If you have a $1 bill, the face value of a $1 bill is $1. But long story short, on this sheet of 4 bills that someone picked up, these are a series of 1976, and these bills sold for $1,725. So this one sold for $2,530, and this is why. So most people have no idea that this is called a specimen note, and these were only given to different countries, their local banks, because if they ever received any quote-unquote foreign currency from the United States, they would know what a genuinely issued bill will look like. This is not legal tender, meaning that you cannot spend it because it is a specimen note. But the way that you can tell if you have a specimen note is not only by the red stamps that say specimen on the front and back, but also the serial number is going to look different. As you can see on this serial number, it is an ascending ladder going from 2 all the way up to 9. Sometimes you will see specimen notes with zeros in the serial number, or you will see simply no serial number. But the reason I even bring this up is because there are people out there that will try to manipulate and alter these notes to make them appear to be really rare. So let's say someone just bought a $2 bill for anywhere between $2 to $5, and they were able to go online and get a specimen stamp and do this. The first thing you're going to know is that the serial number is incorrect. That's the biggest thing you really need to look out for. And this is not advice whatsoever, but I highly recommend against defacing any US federal currency because that could potentially get you in a lot of trouble. So do not do anything like that. But this is a genuine, real example that was graded by PMG as a 64 uncirculated. PMG is a third-party authentication and grading company, so they know that this bill is definitely genuine and it has not been altered in any way, shape, or form, and it sold for $2,530. Condition is so important, so this one little $2 bill sold for $7,500, and this is why. The biggest thing is the fact that this is a serial number 1, and even though it has minor thinning and the condition of the bill is pretty low, it would have sold for a lot more money if the person that found this just kept it nice and safe and didn't actually spend it, because you can see this has been in someone's wallet or purse before. This did not come like this from the bank. Also, this is a star note. You can see the star at the end of the serial number. Not all star notes are going to be rare and valuable, but because this is a serial number 1, it's definitely going to bring more value because this one little bill sold for $7,500. Same thing here, but this was graded by PCGS as a 64 PPQ meaning premium paper quality. So a very similar type of bill from the previous note, but this one has no folds whatsoever on the bill, and that's why this bill sold for $35,250. If you enjoyed this video, definitely smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.